In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can search for files in Google Drive that are publicly accessible, meaning viewable by anyone on the internet. Before we dive into this, it's important to note that our focus will primarily be on files that you have access to or own. If you need to perform a full organization-wide auditing, specific admin tools are required. So, let's get started by exploring the methods available for finding publicly accessible files. One of the most effective ways is by using Google's search operators. These operators are a powerful tool that allow you to leverage Google's site search to pinpoint files shared publicly. For instance, if you head over to your Google search bar, you can type in sitedrive.google.com, followed by a keyword of your choice. Doing this will display files stored on Google Drive that are indexed and contain the keyword you've entered. It's a handy way to sift through publicly available content efficiently. Now, should you be interested in narrowing your search even further to specific file types, such as Google Docs or Sheets, there's an equally straightforward method. You can modify your search term by using something like site.docs.google.com/document, followed by your keyword. These slight changes to your search terms help pinpoint exactly the type of document you're looking for, ensuring your results are as relevant as possible. Next up, let's dive into how you can search within Google Drive for files that you own and determine whether they're publicly accessible. Start by navigating to your Google Drive. Once there, make use of the search box and click on the filter or advanced search options to refine your results. Under these advanced search options, you'll find a section titled Sharing or Visibility. Here, look for filters that indicate options like Public on the Web or Anyone with the Link. Older guides often mention filtering by Public on the Web, which is a great starting point to identify files with broader access. Upon applying these filters, carefully review the files that appear in the results. It's crucial to understand the sharing settings associated with them. To confirm these settings, simply right-click on the file, select Share, and then proceed to Advanced. By doing this, you can verify and modify who has access to your files to ensure they're shared according to your preferences. By utilizing these methods, you can effectively manage and search for publicly accessible files on Google Drive, helping you maintain control and oversight of your digital content. Remember, being conscious of how your files are shared not only protects your privacy, but also helps you maintain organized and secure data management.